Senior.net devs, you ever have two developers show up to the stand-up and realize that they both spent some part of that sprint solving the same problem? Here's you already know this reminder for Senior.net developers. If nobody claims the work, then two things happen. Either two people do it or nobody does it, and both cost you. I talked in my last video about my daughter's first volleyball game of the spring season and how her team's communication set them apart. But there was another lesson on that court. When my daughter called the ball, no one else dove for it. Not because they couldn't reach it, but by claiming it, it meant, I got this. Focus on your position. And without that call, two players would collide going for the same ball. Or worse, they'd both assume the other player had it and it would drop between them. Your backlog works the same way. When a developer picks up a ticket but doesn't signal it clearly, then someone else will pick it up too. In 2 days of parallel work and one gets thrown away. I learned this the hard way when I was a CTO at a fintech startup, and two developers duplicated each other's work for almost a week before anyone caught it. And we had to put a system in place to make sure that that never happened again. And that lesson stuck with me. When I started building DevNitro, claiming was built in from day one. Before a developer or an agent starts working, they claim the issue. It's locked, it's visible, everyone else moves on. The most expensive code on your team isn't necessarily the code with the bugs, it's the code that someone else already wrote. I'm Chad Carter, helping .NET teams ship production apps faster. You already know what you're doing, so now go and ship it. And hey, if this helped, you know the drill. Plus, you may want to go ahead and share this with the dev that you like. And I'll see you in the next video.